Hello guys, welcome again to our Medcart CMMS tutorial. So the last time we already finished with the equipments module and the contracts module. So today we will learn how to add spare parts and other functions of our spare parts module. So in our spare parts module, we have also the search part number and the category filters. So we have the total spare parts and the total spare parts cost. Have also in our grid, we have the spare parts barcode and the part number, the spare part name, part number, category, and the remaining quantity. So as we can see also, we have the load bar to tell you how much you're stuck inside your system. So we have also the edit button. So if we will add a new spare parts, we just click the button here and we will tell what is the description of the spare parts, what is the part number, what is the manufacturer, the agents, and what category, and also what is the minimum quantity so that it can tell if we are out of stock and the desired stock. So and then we will click the button here, create spare parts. So that's how we can create a spare part. So as you can see, it will show the information here. Also at the right side, we have the button for the edit. So in case you have a mistake name for the spare parts, just edit. So if we click this grid, it will show our spare part information. And also, as you observe, we have the button below, spare parts activities. So if we click it, here in our spare part activity, spare part activity, here we can see the flowing of our spare parts. Also in our spare parts activities, we have the search work order. We can filter the activity type, and also we have the two buttons. If we will add some new spare parts, add quantity, and we will remove some quantity. For example, we already purchased a new spare parts, we will add. We will tell how many the quantity and the cost of the spare parts and the total value. And we will click the add. So if we remove or issue the spare parts, we just click the remove button and we will tell which work order and how many the quantity, and we will remove. So this is our spare parts activities, and I think this is our spare parts module. Thank you guys.